Hello everybody and welcome to an update slash final build. Sorry for the weird noises, I'm just raising up my microphone a little bit. Come on. There we go. Okay, so what to look out for in the very near future. I've gotten a 2.5-ish, I'd say 2.5 kits from my guy. So I got the Build Strike Gundam full package from the Build Fighter series. So, in Master Grade. Not a lot of stickers. That's not a lot. You'll get why I say that. That's not a lot of stickers in a minute. Okay, so I got this. Here's kind of an unboxing, really. This is why I say 2.5 kits. I'll meet the other one that I have completed in a minute here. I got the expansion kit for my Perfect Grade Banshee. So just a really quick look through. These are for the come here, Banshee. You deserve to be in this shot. So these are going to be for the beam rifle here. Beam rifle inner frame and also the claws. Tips of the claws. Claws, inner frame, or cycle frame, claws, beam rifle, inner frame for all that. And then the part that I don't know what I'm going to do with yet. I'm thinking I will. I'll see what you guys think. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Should I stick with the stickers that I have on my Perfect Grade Banshee Unicorn? Banshee Norn Unicorn, technically. Or should I switch them to water slides? These are the Perfect Grade water slide decal set for the Perfect Grade Banshee. These are all beautiful water slides. So once I get him cleaned up more, he is pretty dusty right now. I will take a look. I will put a image of it in this section here, just so then you guys can see what you guys think of the stickers and all that stuff. This guy isn't marked up at all. He's just my Master Grade. You actually saw him in my Perfect Grade. One, because I finished him right before I did my Perfect Grade of the same Gundam. Now, for some very exciting things right now. Just had this Gundam, you will be able to see from the top to the bottom of it. I've finally done it. I have done every except for Mega Size. Except for Mega Size yet. I'm really considering getting that Mega Size Unicorn in Destroyer mode. So, but now I have completed Real Grade, High Grade, Master Grade, Perfect Grade, and No Grade, technically, because the Iron Blood Orphans 1/100 scale are technically no grades. So, I mean, no grades. So, yeah, I've kind of done this Strike Freedom. Yeah. I have the perfect grade of him. I'll put a link down in the description below for the final build of that one, which has over 1,000 views on it, which I need to make a video doing all that stuff, but I haven't had enough time in between yet. And I will also link the playlist to every single final build just like this that I have done ever, really. And yes, I do have more Gundams than what is on that list. I do have a lot more Gundams than are on that list. Yes, I do. So, let's start looking at the little parts. But you'll notice, well, normally it doesn't really come with many stickers. Yeah, Real Grades are kind of sticker heavy. Like, very heavy with the stickers. But they're very detail oriented stickers. So if you're very detail oriented, this is a really great kit. Real Grades are really nice. I am really looking forward to seeing them all put together. So, here is his head. That's his little head with the shiny gold eyes. So, and one thing you will notice, you might not be able to see it so much on camera, but in person, you can really see this part here is more of like a unicorn white, whereas this one's has a hint of gray to it. So these ones, the way I would describe these ones is that the outer detail is perfect, better than a perfect grade, honestly. But the frame and everything is more like a high grade. Well, this has a pre-built inner frame. You know how they do all the manipulators with the perfect grade hands? Yeah, they do that kind of casting, but for the body. Like they do all the arm, like the inner frame, everything like that. And then you just gotta pretty well slap on the outer armor and sticker the poop out of it. Honestly, this has no stickers other than the eyes, so you can just sit right over there. Here's the torso. You can kind of see the stickering. A lot of the Master Grades don't really have that, but you can kind of see here. This is all pre-molded. I did not do any inner frame assembly. And I would recommend panel lining the heck out of it before you put on the stickers on it, because it'll look a little bit better. And be careful with it as you start to move stuff around like I just did right there. It can sometimes snap on you, so you might want to have an emergency glue on hand just in case you run into an emergency. And yes, they do snap very easily. I've had one piece on the ankle actually snap. Luckily I glued it right away, and there's armor over top of it, so it's extremely stable. I cannot tell which leg is actually broken or not. So anyways, that's the torso. Honestly, these parts are the least impressive. Here's the beam rifle here. The little sticker on top. And yes, I will be doing more real grades. I love this kit. Here's the shield. You can see a bit more stickers. And even in the instructions, if I can find it, there it is. If you look back here, it says realistic decal. Realistic decal. So basically what they've done is thought, how would this look in real life? How would this look in real life? How would this look? All that kind of stuff. And they basically gave you all the stickers for you that you need, including extras, which is always nice. Keep your stickers just in case you run into a kit. And well, geez, a sticker would look really good there, but a really small one or something like that. Always a good idea to have stickers lying around. I have a ton of them. Let's see. Or if you're like me and planning on a big project, I'm going to be pretty well. I have already one of these taken off this big massive sticker on the top, written on the back. So, but I will leave the decision up to you guys about that. Now here we get to see some details. You'll notice there's little shiny pieces that are representing rivets pretty well. Like they literally think of what you can see the rivets really well right here. This is the waist unit, by the way. So they really think of everything. Here are the two side skirts and beam sabers. And yes, these do fold out just like the Perfect Grade. But you can see how many stickers are on there, and like there's a tiny one right there. Like some of these decals are so tiny that you need really fine tweezers. Like you really do need tweezers for this. These are even chunky for those, so here's an arm, and you can see here they even included some copper stickers for basically pipes and stuff like that. So even right down here there's stickers, and right even on the side of these parts. Like you just don't get In some perfect grades, you don't even get that kind of detail. Just saying. Here's the other arm, same as the first, only the other opposite. It's just like you have two arms. Gundams have two arms. Here are the legs. Now, they are kind to you in some ways. Like this is all one sticker here. But they really precisely cut it. So it makes it look really nice. And again, more of those copper stickers for plating and stuff. That even this you don't get with the perfect grade. I'm just saying that out of experience, because I have built the perfect grade Strike Freedom, as you guys have most likely seen. And yes, the armor does move a little bit. You can kind of see here. So move it back. Those are the legs. The shoulder pads. Again, there's two of them with a little thruster that moves at the bottom. And now for the backpack. Now I do not know how well he will stand with it. I'm going to have him with the backpack on. Like, you can't have a Strike Freedom without having it in a Strike Freedom pose. Honestly. Just going to move those legs over a little bit. Here's the backpack. It is massive. It's about 6 inches or so. But you can notice here, there's actual, it looks like metal there. Oh yeah. And yes, it can do the Freedom stance. Like, you can display its wings just like the perfect grade. Plus, just for that little extra protection that you may need on a battlefield, it has two of these. So now, of course, just got a little loose there. That's one thing that I noticed, is that because there's no polycaps, it's all plastic on plastic movement, that sometimes the joints get a little loose, but it's a hefty set. So let's begin. Let's bring in the legs again. I'm going to plug each leg into its respective hole. Now again, I do not know how stable this is. I do not know. I watched 0 reviews of this before this. Next, we're going to put on the side armor, which just goes right into that little clamp there. As I say, he's not that big, but he has massive. No. stay. He has massive amounts of detail to him. I'm gonna stick on the torso. So I can kind of see a weight problem, but okay, now I believe you stick on the arm like that, and then you swing it in. Yes. So you have this peg out here. Where's the second arm? Where did the second arm go? There it is, I'm blind. And then we take this hole here, line up the peg in the hole, and we will gently move it right into position. And then these should just slide right over the top, just like that. Just like that. And you can see they do move a little bit. Now for the head. Okay, now, whoop, got that a little bit backwards, but anyways. Now to see how well Bandai designed this guy. Actually, that looks. He's standing on his own? No, he's not. He's cheating a little bit. Yeah, so you may need to get a stand if you want him in that full splayed mode, which I will see, but here, I'll no. Yes, that is him. It is full. The wings fully out. I am holding him. Well, let's see. Try to put his legs. Holy cow! No hands. He's standing on his own. You just gotta make sure the legs are far enough apart. No, no, no. Correction, you will not need a stand for him. Unless you want him in a different pose or something like that. But really, jeez. That is incredible. So, again, remember, please comment on whether I should do this sticker, keep the stickers as they are on my Banshee, or if I should go with the water slide decals. And yes, I do have this stuff here, so they will go on and stay on. And that's pretty well everything. So as I said, you can see them. Like, you can see them head to toe. That's the Strike Freedom. So if you like this video, hit that like button and tell me why in the description down below. If you didn't like it, hit that thumbs down button and let me know why in the description down below, or in the comments down below, I mean. And if you know of a few friends that would like these videos, share it, because there will be a whole bunch more videos. I have a ton more space. I have a ton more space now. So you'll be seeing more videos, maybe even a full build of a few bigger ones, but we'll see. We'll see when Bandai releases that kind of stuff. And I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe as well, as I say again, because I will be doing more videos like this, and a lot more videos like this, and a ton more videos like the Rogue with the full build. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching again, and until next time, remember to rock on.